Hello dear friends, today we will going to solve some problems on the basis of Young's double slit experiment. It means interference pattern. Okay, our first question. The fringe width in a Young's double slit interference pattern is 2.4 into 10 power minus 4 meter. When red light of a wavelength 6400 angstrom is used, by how much will it change if blue light of a wavelength 4000 angstrom is used? Okay, so question, in that question already a given data beta 1 is a 2.4 into 10 power minus 4 and a lambda 1 6400 angstrom and a lambda 2 is a 4000 angstrom. So this one is our question. So here we want to calculate the difference of a fringe width. Already in this question, so first fringe width, given that 2.4 into 10 power minus 4 meter. We want to calculate beta 2 value, second fringe width value. Then afterwards we want to calculate the difference between a first fringe width and a second fringe width. So this reason, the given data is, so given, so first one is a first fringe width. So that one is a 2.4 into 10 power minus 4 meter. When we use a wavelength, so that's one is a lambda 1. So in that question, so given that lambda 1 is a 6400 angstrom. So 6400 angstrom means 6400 into 10 power minus 10 meter. When we use the 6400 angstrom meter of a wavelength, then we get a fringe width is 2.4 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Suppose when we use 4000 angstrom of a wavelength, it means a 10 power minus 10 meter of a wavelength, then we want to calculate the beta 2 value is equal to question mark. Okay, dear students, you already know that so fringe width is directly proportional to the wavelength. Whenever the wavelength increases, it means the fringe width is also increases. It means the fringe width means it is a distance between a dark or a bright fringes. So that's what we consider that a fringe width. So this reason here we want to calculate a beta 2. So this reason we consider that the ratios of a fringe width beta 2 divided by beta 1 is equal to lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. So this reason, so lambda 2. So lambda 2 is a 4000 into 10 power minus 10 divided by, so 6400 into 10 power minus 10. Okay, so this reason here we get a 5 by 8. Cancel 0 zeros cancel. It means 40 divided by 64. It means 5 divided by 8. Okay, so we want to calculate a second fringe width. It means beta 2 is equal to, so 5 by 8 divided by beta 1. But if you take in this side, so that one is into beta 1. So this reason, here we consider that beta 2 is equal to 5 by 8 into beta 1. So beta 1 value 2.4 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, so this reason, so beta 2 is equal to 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 meter. So this one is a second fringe width. Okay, so here we want to calculate the difference between two fringe width. Okay, so difference means a decrease. Okay, decreasing fringe width, it means beta 1 minus beta 2. Okay, so this reason beta 1 value, so beta 1 2.4 into 10 power minus 4 meter and beta 2 value 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 meter. So 2.4 minus 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus So this reason take 10 power minus 4 common. So this reason, so decrease in fringe weight. We consider that 0.9 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Okay, so this one we consider that change in fringe weight delta. It means delta into D is equal to 0.9 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Our next question. In Young's double slit experiment, the light has a frequency of 6 into 10 power 14 Hz and distance between the center of adjacent fringes is 0.75 millimeter. If the screen is 1.5 meter away, what is the distance between the slit? Okay, so here given that adjacent fringes is 0.75 millimeter. It means, so that's when we consider that a fringe width. Okay, so this is our question. So here we want to calculate the distance between two slits. It means a small d value. Okay, so distance between two slits. Okay, so distance between two slits value. So this is d value. Okay, so here already given that the velocity of a light. So velocity of a light. So that one is a 6 into 10 power 14 hertz. So this one is a frequency of a light 6 into 10 power 14 hertz. So this one we consider that a frequency. It means a new. Next one, the speed of a light in a vacuum 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So this one is a speed of a light in a vacuum. Next one, the beta fringe weight adjacent edges given that 0.75 millimeter. 0.75 millimeter. It means 0.75 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So this one is a fringe weight. Next one. So distance between a slit and a screen. Distance between slit and a screen. So that's one is a capital D is equal to, so 1.5 meter. So this is D. It means 1.5 meter. Okay, so here we want to calculate a wavelength. So wavelength lambda is equal to C divided by nu. So this reason here C is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second divided by frequency 6 into 10 power 14 hertz. It means, so here we get 5 into 10 power minus 7. It means 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter. So this one is a wavelength of that light. Next we want to calculate a distance between a slit. So distance between a slit, so we know that formula beta is equal to d lambda divided by small d. Fringe width is equal to distance between slit and screen, and wavelength divided by distance between two slits. Okay, we want to calculate distance between a slit is equal to d lambda divided by beta. So this reason, so d is equal to, already given that d is 1.5 into, so here 1.5 meter into lambda value. So lambda already calculated. So that one is 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Okay. So 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter divided by beta. So beta value 0.75 millimeter. 0.75 millimeter. It means 10 power minus 3. So this reason, so D is equal to, so 10 power plus 3, 1.5 into 5 divided by 0.75. It means, so here we get a, to cancel, it means 10 power minus 3 meter. So 10 power minus 3 meter means 1 millimeter. Okay, so distance between these two slits is 1 millimeter. For next question, in Young's double slit experiment, using light of wavelength 400 nanometer, interference fringes of a width x are obtained. The wavelength of a light is increased to 600 nanometer and the separation between the slit is halved. If one wants the observed fringe width on the screen to be the same in the two cases, find the ratios of the distance between the screen and the plane of an interfering source in the two arrangements. Okay, so here in this Young's double slit experiment, so wavelength we consider that 400 nanometer. Okay, so in this question we consider that wavelength of a light 400 nanometer and 600 nanometer. So fringe width we consider that x in both the cases. Yes. So here in this reason, here we consider that fringe width is same for both cases. Same for both the cases. For case 1, for first case, so first case, so here we consider that x is equal to d1 into lambda 1. So this one is the first case divided by d. So x we consider that, so that one is a fringe width. And for second case, so this one is x, it means beta d2 lambda 2 divided by d divided by 2. Why? Because so stated distance decreases half. It means exactly, so initially we consider the distance between these two slits is d. Okay, after second case, so distance between the slit decreases exactly half. So this reason d divided by 2. Okay, so both are having the same fringe width. Suppose we consider that so beta, and this is also we consider that beta, but in the question we consider that beta value is x. So this reason here we consider that x. Okay, so both the fringes are same. It means the fringe width is same. So this reason here we consider that x is equal to x. It means d1 lambda 1 divided by d is equal to, so d2 lambda 2 divided by d by 2. Okay, so this reason here we get so d1 by d2 is equal to 2. So d1 by d2 is equal to 2. It means lambda 1 by lambda 2 is lambda 1 by lambda 2. So lambda 1 already given that 600 and lambda 2 value is 400 meter. So this reason here we consider that 2 into 600 divided by 400 is, so this reason we get 3 by 1. It means 3 is to 1. Okay, whenever so this d value changes, it means we consider that exactly half. Then what happened? The ratios of this wavelength we consider that 3 is to 1. When we consider that lambda 2 value is 600 nanometer and lambda 1 value is 400 nanometer. In that case, the ratios of a wavelength we consider that 3 is to 1.